Welcome to PewPew.buzz. All right, so why is it called PewPew? Let me tell you the story. So there was a meme coin called PewPew, and it was really the entry for me to get into meme coins. And I bought a ton of it to the moon. And guess what? I got rug pulled. So what I'm doing is I'm bringing it back. I'm bringing back PewPew. It's an N8N automation library. And here you go. Let's get it. So we're going to head over here to the automations. You can see, so if you're into AI building and the workflows of N8N, you can see there is a lot of N8N workflows here. Let me just show you how it works. All right, so we're going to head over to N8N. What we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this one, delete that workflow, and everybody knows now you know what N8N is. We're going to grab a workflow. Let's see. All right, this one's cool. Complexity research to HTML AI powered content creation. So if you're creating content, you can use this N8N workflow, this workflow here. So we're going to download this guy. And I'm going to head over here, back over to N8N. I'm going to import the file. I'm going to grab that one, import it. Boom. Now you have your workflow, just like that. So PewPew, as you can see, PewPew.buzz is a repository of all these N8N workflows. And you can use it. Uh, and all you have to do is wire it up, throw your API keys in, and you can use it there. And there's a lot of workflows that you can use, from anything from posting to Twitter to sending SMSs to database management. Just check and look at all these different categories, from HR agents to emails to DevOps and anything. It's all there. Okay, there's other things. If you have a custom workflow that's not in PewPew, what you can do is add it here. So there's a way to add all your custom workflows. And then it'll add it to the PewPew library for everyone to use. It gives you credit, so it throws your name on there on the workflow, etc. Okay, and here's the last part. This is the workflow builder. You can take a screenshot of the workflow. Like, for example, you can take a screenshot of this guy, and then you just drop it in here, and it'll build that same exact workflow down below. Or what you can do is you can describe your automated goal, which would be like, read my email and send response to Jerry. And then at that point, you just kind of, what you can do is generate the workflow, which is happening right now. So the workflow will be generated, and then you're just kind of waiting for it. It's building. It's talking to another AI, so it's reaching out, talking to the AI with the specifications, and then it builds your workflow. At this point, so all the workflow is here in a JSON file, which then you can add again to N8N, and upload that workflow. Or what you can do, and so it shows you the details of, so it's got manual trigger, Gmail, if then statements. Um, and if it's really good, right, you can publish it to library by pressing yes, and then publish it to the gallery. Anyway, that's PewPew.buzz. You can visit it at PewPew.buzz. And that's it. So N8N workflow repository. Check it out, use it, build those complicated workflows in N8N, like this one here, and have a good time. Peace.